Are you someone who are still confused and don't know how to measure your bra size at home? Are you someone who has no idea about cup size? Are you still someone who is wearing the same bra for years now? Hi guys, this is Banishika. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, I will tell you how to measure your bra size correctly at home and detailed video on what is band size, what is cup size, and a lot more facts about bras that you don't know at all. Step 1 is measuring your band size. First step is to get yourself into something very fit top, something like that, and get a tape, of course. Round the tape around your lower chest part and calculate how much is it. Round the number to the nearest whole number. So if the number comes even, add 4. If the number comes odd, add 5. For example, I have 27, which is an odd number, so I will add 5 to it, which comes to 32. Step 2 is measuring your bust size or cup size. Wrap the tape around the fullest part of your bust. Make sure it's not too tight or too loose. Round off the number to the nearest whole number. Subtract the number with the band size. So if the difference between the band size and the bust measurement is 1, then your cup size is A. If the difference is 2, then it is B, and so on. Here's a detailed bra size chart that I'm sharing with you. Find out the right bra size for the Indian body types. Let's know what is the difference between bra size and cup size. Cup size is the difference between your chest line and your bust line measurement, whereas the bra size is the band size with your cup size. The letters which we get, like what is A, B, C in the bra size, we get like 30B or 32A or C. What are these letters? These letters are nothing but your cup size. The numbers like 32, 34, 38 are your band size. That's the part of the bra that goes around your torso. For example, if you are 32A, means your band size is 32 and the boobs are on A cup. Sister size, we always tend to get or hear about, if you don't find your own size, then go for sister size. What is that? So everyone has unique body type, which means it is not possible, even after measuring, you cannot find that accurate bra size. These conditions, you can switch to sister sizes. That means these are alternate sizes where the cup volume remains the same, just the band size and the cup letters changes. For example, if you are 34B, it is a good chance that 32C or 36A will fit you. Why? Because 32C will have shorter band size, whereas 36A will have longer band size. From that, you can analyze which can fit you better. You should probably check it by giving it a trial, whether it fits you perfectly or not. How to analyze whether the bra is fitting you perfectly? There should be enough space to let at least 2 fingers pass through the bra straps. Back band should lay straight on the back without riddling up, and the center core should sit flat against your sternum. The underwire should fully encircle the breast, and the breast shouldn't spill out of the cups, or the cups shouldn't have extra room either. Continue wearing your wrong bra size for years and years and you don't measure yourself properly, these are the problems that you can feel. You can risk yourself for plethora of problems such as pain and discomfort in the breast tissues, straps start digging into your shoulders, back, neck and headache, bad posture, your bra hinders your movement. What are the best bra you can wear daily? Simply t-shirt bra is the best for every day. You can use these bra very easily and it goes underneath this cloth very smoothly. Well, to retain the lifespan of your bra and to continue it for more than years, it is necessary to hand wash it, use mild detergent or baby soap with lukewarm or cool water and never wring. Use mesh wash bags, set your machine on a general cycle. If you're using washing machine, avoid drying machines and air dry them on a hanger. Especially when it is a padded bra, it needs extra care for that. Well, well, the average recommended time to revamp your old bras is 6 months to a year, according to how you use it on your daily basis. If you're wearing that cotton bras every day, it is important to swap them after 6 months or at least a year. However, something like strapless or balconette bra or any kind of bras that are used only in occasionally, because those are not regular bras which we need every day, you can use that for more than 2 years or 3 years. Do you know that our breast size and shape changes every 6 to 7 months in a year? So it is appropriate to measure ourselves, if not twice but at least once in a year. I will link down the chart and every details in the description so that you can find out later on about your bra size. That's it guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope this video has helped you, because it's a very important video. We all tend to neglect about the most important part, which is the bra, of course, and that's the reason we face a lot of challenges later on. And you have to know this, that our bra size changes every 6 to 7 months because of a lot of reasons, because of age, weight loss, weight gain, different types of habitant, food intake and body weight, and a lot of things. So it is important for us to maintain a bra cup size chart and to measure yourself at least a year and change your bra size accordingly. And don't wear your old bra for years and years. Throw them out and buy a new one. If you can buy and invest your money on clothes every single time, then I think you can also invest on your bra, which is very important. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay fashionable. Bye.